All right, session number 3. So what I was realizing when I went on my break is that I don't want to just get stuck in this very heavy design aspect. I want to get straight into interface design like right now. This is kind of a little deep right now, so I'm just going to start working on a CLI this session, actually. Build the CLI project and see what I can get out of that. So let me... did I really just hit initial brainstorming last session? So one of the things that makes me crazy productive when I'm working is listening to music. I have YouTube Red, which allows me to download music offline. So I set up my playlists and stuff, and then just listen to it on repeat and just go on walks regularly. Use case design. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna start interface design. Dex. Okay, so let's start with the CLI. Slush node CLI. I don't know what this is going to pull up, but we'll see. The name of the project is Dex CLI. Pomodoro Technique Time Tracker. Dex. Sure. Use MVM, use V8. Try that again. Dex CLI will be the project name. Let's make sure it's available. npm.js package Dex CLI. Yep, should be available. What did I put? Pomodoro Technique Time Tracker. And then Dex will be the command to run. Yes. Oh, actually, we need to do 7. For some reason, I can't get slush to work on 8. I haven't explored it yet. Dex CLI, and then Dex. Replace package JSON. Yes. Yes. I still need to switch to preset EMB. I haven't taken the time yet. Really. Oh, my camera's not on top. There we go. So I have like a slush. Slush is a generator based on gulp, as opposed to Yeoman. I use it for creating quick node projects. I have my own preferences and the things that I work on. Okay, let's see. Get st. I don't know how this is going to work out though. Let's see, Vim, what do I have set up here? I have Dex, a source index. When I build, I copy to a distribution folder. Pre-build, I copy the license, the README, and the distribution folder, or to the distribution folder. Clean, ESLint, test, source lines of code. Do I have get hook set up? I have get hook set up. I have log set up. I'm going to actually take the log from Dex here. Change this log to actually That might work. I need to remove the Git folder here. Delete, yes. Yes. I don't need the Git folder here. Git reset CLI. There we go. Remove .session. Remove. Reopen. Don't save. I mean, that's still working. Okay. So I'm gonna remove what else? I haven't really done a CLI folder in here. Vim publish. This needs a bang bin bash. PM run bash, run build. What else do I need in here? Source index, vim source index. Welcome to the Dex CLI. Just do that. Okay. Oh, and also ESLint disable next line no console. I gotta get this published as soon as possible. We got a package JSON. I did ignore. We got get hooks for lint and short lines of code. We have an ESLint file. Theoretically, let's check what patch will do. So pre-publish, we'll set that all up. Pre-build, so we will patch. Beautify package JSON. Commit a admit. I mean, it all looks okay. I'll probably end up changing tests. What do I use for testing right now? Nothing really. I also want to add a dev script actually. Dev Babel node source index. Is that it? Oh. npm version patch minor v01. I think I have everything working properly now. Publish. See if it works. Version 0.0.1. Okay. Now just to test it, yarn global add dex CLI. Did not publish. I definitely published Dex CLI. That's weird. Dex CLI. Dex CLI. Oh, there it is. That's weird. Just took a while. So now let's try again. Global add Dex CLI. Oh, MVM use v8. And then global add. So we'll have to lower the node requirements. Okay, so now we try Dex. Oh, how do I remove abbreviation -h? How do I remove abbreviate, rename Dex to Dex CLI? Now if I do Dex, this develop XP. Wait, that's not what I wanted to put. Which Dex? LSAL this. Oh, yarn global remove devx. That's an old project. I was like, what? Where did that come from? Listening to Watsky. Good stuff. Moral of the story is to work. It's going to be the theme song for this session. Where is it? Moral of the story. Today's theme song. Seriously, worth it. Why is it taking so long to remove this dependency? What did I add to it? That's painful. So I'm going to lower it to node 7 if I can, 6 ideally. If I can get it down to 6, then that would be the best. Oh my god. I do need to take some time to figure out like what triggered this. What is it? So now let's try Dex. Welcome to the Dex CLI. That's what I wanted. Okay, so we have it published. That's good. Now we will add all the things. Added the initial published version of the Dex CLI. And now we can work on interface design. What do we have here? Do we have any key packages here? Do I have chalk? No, I don't have chalk. I don't have inquire. So let's start. I actually want to look at a project that I did recently. Oh, Firebot. No, there's a rampant AI CLI. So here, how did I test this? Test.js? Yarn test? No. Vim package, was it yarn dev? Yarn start. Okay, so this is how I had this project's CLI. See if it still works. So that's beautiful. I love that. If I do my email here, rampant. Don't look at that password. It's not like it matters. This isn't even public. So this is how I want this to look. It's a very powerful CLI. I think it looks beautiful, so I'm going to steal this. Yeah, I'm totally gonna steal this. This is kind of the starting idea here. So that's how I'm going to start. I actually want to see how I set that up and start stealing some code from it. Aha. Because I'm the one that made it. So totally fine that I steal the code. Vim source index. Yarn add. So we're going to start by adding chalk, RxJS, and transmutation. Is that it? Data config, print. I will start with that for now. Actually, there's one more. There's a Babel plugin that I want. Plugin wildcard. Babel plugin wildcard. Actually, I'll add that later because that's a dev dependency. Anything else? Not that I can think of. So, HTTP requests we can get later. Requests we can get later. We already have Lodash. Okay, looks good to me. So we're gonna add chalk, RxJS, and transmutation. Oh, and inquirer. I forgot inquirer. Yarn add inquirer. Which transmutation do I have? 17? Awesome. Source index. We're just gonna steal a bunch of how we do this. First things first, we're gonna steal chalk. I wonder if I do this, if I add an import here, what happens? Does it just get, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna steal this and this. No. Okay, steal all those and start. I'm gonna create a print section. Print divider, banner instructions, divider. No, stop doing that. That's better. Okay. And take all that. Forget email credentials and password for now. We'll steal the bar later. Run action, do observable state. What is state made up of? Where did state come from? What? How did I even initialize state? Wait, I said state later? Was that why? Get token, get client, then we do a... So we're just going to start with printing. I think that's good enough. We can remove this for now. Actually. And we'll import star as print from print. Source add what? Add print. And what are we printing? Oh my god, it's fine now. Oh, there's something here that I need to steal. Going to then. No. Okay. So in print, what are we stealing? So first we're stealing a divider. Add divider. Just gonna steal that. Chalk red. Why do I have no useless escape? No reason. Okay. So we're gonna print divider. Gonna print banner. So banner is complicated. I learned a trick recently. Reddit Vim. This was very recent. Just discovered this. So this, I found a really cool thing. So toilet or figlet. Let me try this. How do I add toilet? Oh no, not what I wanted. Mac toilet. What is this? Color-based alternative to figlet. Oh, that's cool. So brew install toilet. Is that it? Yep, toilet. I want to see if this works. So I really like how this looks, and I'm going to make everything look like that first. I don't know how long that's going to take, but so right now we'll just make a banner. Well, copy. Banner. Bold. Dex CLI. So we got that. And then instructions. Copy. Instructions. Make this toilet. Each toilet. Hello. Haha. That's fun. toilet hello dash h 2. Hash width 2. Whoa. 50. Okay, so that's not it. Maybe a font. FF Roboto. I totally have Roboto. LSAL fonts. Sorry, fonts. Library fonts. Roboto regular. So let's try that. Roboto regular. .ttf. Oops. Slash library slash fonts. No. Could not load font. You would think that it might work. Make sure that I have it perfectly right. Could not load font. Mac toilet. No. ASCII. Manipulate text to ASCII art. What is flop? Toilet dash H. Oh, that's a filter. How do I load a font? Oh, maybe I have to. Let's see. Load font, but with a D library. Oh, library fonts. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Oh, toilet fonts are in the same folder in that directory. To preview toilet fonts, thanks to find this. No, didn't work. Oh, here's some fonts. Okay, not a fan. This is fun. So here. I'll just look for this. There's no Figlet. Weird. I don't know where all the fonts are. Oh, I just tried it. Font, ASCII, art. So I'm just going to finish up this banner real quick and then call it good. So instructions, Vim, source index. Let me just grab source, print, instructions. Just get something pretty. copy this for now. Welcome to the Dex CLI. The Dex platform. Dex is a platform for time tracking Pomodoro sessions. Okay, I need a separate screen now. Dex, want Dex CLI, a CD CLI, Vim package. Is there a way to test this? Okay, yarn dev. What am I missing here? Divider is not a function. Oh, because I need yarn add dev babel package. What is it? Babel wildcard. What? Okay, I need to install that. MVM use V8. I really need to change transmutation down to V8, V6. Okay, now try yarn dev. Divider is not a function. Yes, it is. Oh, I probably don't have settings. I need to pull these settings in. Vim package. There we go. Dex CLI, welcome to the Dex CLI. Good enough. Well, not really good enough. So, what I learned, take this, delete the actual code. There's going to be a better way to do this, I know it. Come in here. Well, okay, and then break it where it says to from. And here you can accomplish anything. Ta-da! I should chalk white and here, and then chalk white here. Now index, delete this, and I'm good. Console log, empty, ESLint, disable, next line, no console. Just create an empty line. And do it above too. Okay, now let me see if I can publish this. Publish. Okay, yarn global upgrade Dex CLI. Make sure that it works. Oh god. It's gonna take forever to load. Oh, that's painful. So let me just check this to make sure that it looks like it's gonna be right. Should look, yeah, it looks like it'll do fine. So I guess while we're at it, let's do a log. Well, get st. Gonna do, what do we got here? Get L. Wait, what is different? Publish. Get show. What happened? Oh, I know what happened. Get reflog. Get reset soft. Reset. Okay, get add. Get add everything. Look, now I can do Dex. Ta-da! Okay, get add everything. Get CI initial interface. Interface setup. Tag -L. Tag -H. I need to republish again. What do I do? So you run a patch and then a build. If I check this, this should be on version 0.2. Okay, that's true. What does it run? It'll run an npm version patch. I don't think I need to amend. -m version. Oh, I don't know how to do version. npm patch should work properly, right? Something's happening here. npm patch. npm run patch. Get L. See, that's the problem. What's it creating? Get st. In package. Sorry, I'm stuck. I should close this out soon. Where is it? So normally I don't do this in a CLI folder, which is why it's a problem. First of all, vim well, get reflog, get reset Git tag -l. Checkout package. That's so weird. We added the initial interface setup. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do this differently. Instead of doing this, so I have to change how we do patches. So we'll do a patch. JQ package JSON. What? Cat package JSON into JQ, and then take, what do I want? Version. Where is it? Version. Version. JQ print without quotes. Print strings without quotes. JQ -- raw input. What? Or raw output. Okay. JQ prepend string. Oh. Not JQ to parse display. There's a way to do this. It's like V. Well, I don't know what it is. JQ manual. Cursor descent addition. What if I do B plus? There we go. So I grab the version. Publish. We run patch. And then we grab this. What is it? Version equals version. Oh. For now, just do this. Publish. Get st. Check out package. Okay. No. I want to vim that. Okay, so now I want to get add get add package JSON get CI version. And then get tag version. Now should I publish? Get tag -l. Get vim package. Get l. What? Get reflog. Stop doing this. Get resets this. Get tag -delete version 0.0.4. Get tag l. Okay. Now check publish again. What is it? Get reflog. Get reset this. Vim package JSON. Oh, get checkout package JSON. That's why. Get tag -delete v0.0.5. Okay. But publish looks right. So now we add package JSON. We check it in. We tag it, and then we build, and then we distribute and publish. So that looks right. Get l, get tag commit. Okay, tag a specific commit hash. Get tag -h points at get tag commit hash. How to tag an older commit in Git. Okay. Get L. So an added initial published version, we'll tag that. Get tag -add v0.0.1, the commit hash, which is this one. We don't need a message. First version of, I don't need a message. Why do I need a message? -m v0.0.1, and then 2 was this one, tag, oh shoot, get tag -h, is there a remove, get tag delete v0.0.2, changes to 2, get l, get push dash, how do I push tags? Push dash tags origin master. Why am I pushing so much? Is it because the images are so big? I'm wondering if it's because the images are massive. Get info. Oh, they're like 3 megs by themselves. Jesus. Get push dash f. Well, push tags get. Interesting. Okay. Did I push tags? Get add updated publish script. Vim package JSON. I think I need to also, I need to fix this. That's that. Get add. Okay, so now publishing works differently. We'll publish versions properly and we will tag them properly. Let me check here. Now if we check our logs, and we have different tags. We have version 01, version 02. Hurrah! That's nice for publishing's sake. Yay! So now we have an interface, and it's publishing. Create a README for project, and a README for CLI. Number 3, decided to work on the CLI tool right away and jump right into interface design. Created the project folder and made modifications to make sure it was easy to publish every time I needed to. Made sure versioning was working correctly and everything. Should be good to go now, and I'll just start working on the interface interaction design now, and then get back to use cases another time. Cool. That was solid. It was a solid productive session. So now I have a constantly publishing system. So this is an example. Like, this was a 55-minute long session. Like, if I was running decks, if I had management of decks working, it would detect that that was a double session with 5 minutes of overtime. And that's what I want. Like, I would have logged this as a double session, but since I'm not, then it's fine. Cool. I think I am good. So this is progress. What? Oh, that was grip. Okay, so I think it should work on the README. It definitely should work on the README. Why is there no... Did it get pushed, right? Everything is up to date. Why do I not have... Oh, because I'm on tag. I'm not on master. Ta-da! Okay. So yeah, I'm going to end this here, and then I will jump into things. Maybe I set up a README file. Maybe I do the interface. We'll see. Okay, I'm ending this. I'll be right back.